Good morning. Let's begin chapter 7. Time goes on. Time is very important in life. Everyone has to respect and understand the value of time. We measure and define what time of the day it is using clocks. A clock in general has 12 numbers written on it from 1 to 12. It has an hour hand and a minute hand. The time is usually based on 12-hour clock. The hour hand, the shorter of the two hands, complete one rotation 360 degree in 12 hours in a normal 12-hour analog. Analog means that clock or watch having numbers 1 to 12, and other one is the digital one which shows time in numbers. The minute hand, the longer hand, completes one rotation through 360 in 60 minutes. We measure time in seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, and years with clocks and calendars. A day has 24 hours. We use AM to tell time running from midnight to noon and PM for time running from noon to midnight. In this 24-hour line, you can see from midnight to noon is AM, means up to 12 noon, and after 12 noon the time will be read in midnight. Here this different clocks are showing time in o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, likewise up to 12 o'clock. And shorthand is hour hand and the longer hand is minutes hand. In the o'clock position, the minute hand is at 12 and the hour hand is the number what o'clock is that. Suppose 9 o'clock, then shorter hand or the hour hand is at 9 and the minute hand is at 12. So the time will be 9 o'clock. Let's begin exercise. Open page 95. Ulta Pulta time. In this is a story with topsy-turvy time. Here every time the time is opposite. You have to write the opposite of it. Now suppose, let's read. As the sun sets dash, Sumana wakes up. At what time we wakes up? We wakes up in sunset or sunrise? We wakes up at sunrise. So we have to write, instead of sets we have to write rise. At the sunrise, Sumana wakes up. What a lovely evening. When sunrise is, it is evening or morning? Morning. So write there morning. She washes her face fast in 2 hours. Not hours. Write there minutes. She washes her face fast in 2 minutes and runs out. She goes straight to the bird's nest. She has been watching the eggs for the last few months, not months, days. She was waiting for baby birds to come out, but before she can blink her eyes in a week, strike out week and write seconds. Blinking of eyes takes place in seconds. So write there second. A cat jumps on the tree. The mother bird cries loudly and Sumana rushes to shoo away the cat. As the cat jumps, it hits big green mango. Dhum. In 2 days, dash, It is on the ground. In 2 days or in seconds? So write there seconds. It in 2 seconds it is on the ground. On, oh how sad, the mango is still not fully ripe. It needed one more year, one more week to become sweet. Suddenly Sumana's sister calls out, are you still not hungry? Has your stomach clock gone to sleep? Come and eat hot upma for dinner. We eat upma in breakfast or dinner. We eat upma in breakfast. So right there, breakfast. Here are the answers. You can write in your book. Now next question. Think of many different things that can take different times. Make your table as long as you can. Now you have to write here the activities or the things which takes time in minutes, hours and days. Now first we'll write take minutes, a bath, to boil milk. The activities which takes hours, to stitch a shirt, to set curd, a school day. To knit, these activities take days to complete. To knit a sweater, to weave a sari, for a banana to become ripe. Some more activities. To minutes, to fill a bucket of water. Assembly in a school, to prepare tea. These activities takes time in minutes. Now activities which take hours, a school day, to clean the house, sunset or sunrise. Now activities which take days, to knit a sweater, to weave a sari, for a banana to become ripe, to do holiday homework, to learn to drive car. Now next question. Think of some other things, some faster and some slower. Make a long list. Take months to grow wheat from seed to big plant. To change from summer to winter. For a baby to come out of its mother's stomach. Now some more activities. Take months to get promoted to next class, to prepare for exams, to grow 1 year old. We'll continue this chapter in the next class. Till then, bye.